Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix external mic problem. So before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, go to your system settings and click on privacy and security and go to microphone and allow access to microphone, then go to sound. Hit click on output and click on USB audio device. Now adjust your volume. I hope you liked the video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.